How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe and using your time in a good manner. Today, I, Ramanarya, introducing the ninth class geography chapter, Earth as a Planet. Students, as we know, there are 8 planets in the solar system and our Earth is one of them. Students, as you know, our Earth is known as a blue planet or a watery planet because of the presence of water. It is third in distance from the Sun and fifth largest planet in the solar system. But Earth is a unique planet. Do you know why it is a unique planet? Because only Earth is having life. Only Earth is having life, that's why it is known as the unique planet. Why there is life on the Earth? There are some favorable conditions which make our Earth a unique planet. First one, Earth is having right distance from the Sun. It is neither very far nor very close to the Earth. So it gets the moderate temperature, moderate heat. Second point is there, it is having a favorable atmosphere. All types of gases as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, many more are there. With that, water vapors, dust particles, all are found in this atmosphere, which is very essential for us. And third topic, the important one, Earth is having water in a liquid form. The closer planets, they are having water but in the form of vapor. The planets which are away from the Sun, they are having water in the form of ice, in the solid way. But our Earth is having water in a liquid form, which is very essential for all living things, all living beings. Maybe we human beings, maybe the plants, maybe the insects, everybody needs water and that is available on the Earth. And all these things has made our Earth a unique planet, a living planet. Life exists on the Earth due to all these conditions. Friends, now I am going to introduce with the shape of the Earth. In the olden days or in the ancient time, people had misconception that Earth's shape is flat like a table, and they have feared that if they will move, they will fall in the ocean. But later on, are some navigators as Christopher Columbus, Magellan, they have proved that our Earth is round in shape. Students, in this space age, the spherical shape of the Earth is established the fact and accepted by all. There are some evidences are given by the geographers which prove that our Earth is in a spherical shape, as the sunrise and the sunset. You know that the sunrise and sunset is not at the same time in the world. Somewhere it is early, somewhere it is later. What it proves? If our Earth will be flat, means the sunrise and the sunset should be at the same time. But it is not like that. It proves that our Earth is in a spherical shape. Another one evidence is there, lunar eclipse. In that time, we see the shape of the Earth that is spherical. What it proves? It proves that our Earth is spherical in shape. Or we are saying all the celestial bodies are spherical in shape, and our Earth is also one of the spherical. Earth is also one of the celestial body, so it may be also the spherical in shape. And the most relevant evidence is the aerial photographs. These photographs are sent by the satellite, which prove that our Earth is spherical in shape. Even then, our Earth is not fully spherical. It is little flat from top and bottom. It looks like an orange. and the part of the earth where the life exists is known as biosphere. And in conclusion, we can say our earth is only a planet which is having lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that are very essential for our life. So students, this is the today's topic. Next topic, that is Earth's structure of Earth, we will discuss in our second video. So students, as you know that lockdown days are going on, so please stay at home, stay safe and use your time in a proper manner. Thank you.